YouTube. Hello, YouTube. It's me needs to be as well. We got Mr. Beast Train versus Giant Pit. I'm 2 days late, but I don't care. So here we go.
I just bought this train and it is currently barreling full speed towards that giant pit over there. We're also crashing countless cars, blowing up thousands of sticks of real dynamite, and even putting 10 jet engines on a car. Just to show you the most insane experiments of all time. Starting with filling a house with over 100,000 fireworks. Please do not try this in...
Obviously.
For this...
Water and fire don't mix. My mannequin is going to survive.
Mine's in the fridge.
Yeah, they're not surviving. Yeah, I'm sorry, they're not surviving this.
Bathtub, fridge, under the washer.
Tree? Front porch.
Oh yeah, it's sitting right there.
Okay, that's maybe Carl might survive because inside something is not outside, like Tariq's is. But we will see. Money's on Carl. Money's on Carl.
It's gonna be the coolest thing you have ever seen in your life. Yes! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fire in the hole! What happened to the house? I can't even see it anymore.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Oh my god.
Well, Tariq's dead. And how did the drone survive all that? I don't understand that part. How did the drone survive all that?
The house burned down all night until there was literally nothing left.
Oh, so no one survived. Wow, okay. Wow.
We're about to play tug of war between this real military tank and these 2 school buses. And the loser gets dragged into this pit. There's no way.
So, kind of like Squid Game. I'm betting. Okay, I feel like the military is gonna win, but I feel like just cause I feel like the bus is gonna win.
We're probably gonna lose. No, we're not.
No, people can't be in these vehicles because they'll die when they fall in the pit.
Obviously.
So this remote, you're done.
Okay, well, I should have known.
Oh, we're screwed.
The buses are done for.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Oh, well, goodbye. Is that camera? Oh.
Oh my god. This is $50,000 and it is surrounded by thousands of pounds of TNT. And this is Will.
What's up, guys?
See that crate in the field?
Yeah. Oh, man.
Oh my gosh.
That is around 1% of the explosives surrounding this money.
Are we safe standing here?
Yeah, you'll be fine.
No, they're not. They're not fine.
Here's my credit card. Spend as much money as you want to protect this 50 grand. I don't care if you use wood, bricks, or even steel to protect this money. Whatever's left of this 50 grand when that TNT blows up, you keep. Good luck building walls.
All right, let's make $50,000.
He doesn't stand a chance.
Yeah, Biff White, you don't stand a chance. Sorry, buddy. You ain't win no money today.
When this car flies off this ramp, I think it's gonna go past all the buses into the trees.
I think it's gonna hit the first bus.
Our guesses couldn't be further apart. He's
I feel like it's going to pass at least all of them, but not near the trees. It's pretty sure it's gonna stop eventually, like somewhere. What did I say? Is that 800 feet?
currently
I can't read that.
into
It's
the
too
car.
far.
He sees what the car
Holy cow.
is coming straight at us.
Uh-oh. A car fair at you.
We should jump.
Yeah, I'm straightening it.
Oh! I knew it!
Oh my god!
Oh, I called it!
Yeah! What the heck? Whoa, wait.
Oh, that's at 500. I thought to the 800 feet.
Success.
Yes. The jet car easily cleared all 12 buses and literally left a crater in the road. I love how this block
Yo, I was close. I thought seeing the 800. I just thought seeing I say 800, but actually 500. So I was close. I was close.
The giant pit.
Okay.
Buckets!
Jimmy, what if we drop the car on it?
I think you know what to find.
Oh no. That car gonna might explode, maybe, might not. I don't know. Holy cow! Oh my gosh!
Clearly that mannequin didn't survive. Next bit.
Obviously.
Meanwhile, Will was desperately trying to protect his $50,000. He's honestly taking this way more seriously than I thought he would.
In the past,
Oh, okay.
professionals, and we've already built the cinder block wall, filled it with matches, and we're already on our second cinder block wall. This dynamite is not.
Okay.
blew my expectations out of the water. How about this? If you let me double the TNT, I'll double the money.
So 100 grand, double the TNT.
Yeah, but if it blows it up, you get nothing. Take the deal. Take the deal.
Don't look to Chris. Okay, just okay, fine.
If he kept working, I get a strike.
Let's see, will he get a strike? Let's see. No, maybe 9 pins.
Hey, first bowl strike. Oh, it's not going
It's,
straight.
oh, it's not going straight. No way! Get out the way! No! Oh! Oh, there it goes.
Oh, it's coming back.
Oh, God.
It's coming back. The car's got a mind of its own. It's coming back.
Take number 2.
9.
Perfect strike.
Oh, man. Oh, wait. Oh, 6. Oh, right on the buses.
Let's go.
Okay, 6. So I was like 3 off.
Wondering, the other car is still going in circles. Me and the boys have been wearing some.
Pink car. Let me see. Maybe 7.
Switch from shopmrbeast.com.
What the?
Very
What?
long.
Man, y'all are terrible. I freaking ate me.
No way. Oh, we just about died. I'm gonna show you how to just hit a full strike. Okay. All right.
Okay.
Strike, baby.
Will Type be better? Got not.
A .store domain is the perfect choice for anyone looking to sell anything.
Oh!
That was the worst throw yet.
No, it wasn't. He got the most out of everybody.
If you're looking to set up a store, it should be a
This no one's.
domain, so your customers clearly
No
know
one.
your website is a
No
store.
one.
This is Carl's car. Unlike
Oh, it's Carl. Okay.
.store tells the world
Carl, sorry. Nope, that sucked. That sucked.
Since I
I want to see. Oh man, I want to see Nolan do it.
full of dirt.
But I actually have another letter
Oh
that
my
you know-
gosh.
Jimmy will never see this one coming.
Feastables.
Ready. Press the 1. I'm nervous.
It might survive. Oh my gosh.
Oh, that money's gone for sure.
If that survived, oh my god, if that survived. Dang.
Why are we running? I'm running because he's running.
Is that money still alive?
Oh my goodness. Oh, there's so many stacks. We counted up
Yo!
$5,000.
What?
Congrats on the 95 grand. Let's go.
You know what? I did doubt you. I never doubted you at all. I did not doubt you at all. Yeah, Biffy White, you don't stand a chance. Sorry, buddy. You ain't win no money today. Continue.
Let's see what happens if you drive a train into a pit. Yeah.
It's gonna explode. And explode.
This train, where would you sit?
I put my man
I'll be dead. Okay, Carl, that's dumb. That's also dumb.
We're gonna give the Feastables bar a front row seat. Stop eating Hershey's. Eat Feastables.
Well, to be clear, they're all dead because it's a train. It's gonna explode. I'm sorry, it's gonna
We have
explode.
waited our entire lives for this moment. This is going to be epic. Nolan, send the train. The train's coming. Let's do this.
Oh no. No one's surviving this. Ain't no way.
Here it goes.
Oh my god! Here it comes!
Oh! It's gonna explode! Explode! Come on! I'm waiting for it. Well, Carl at least. Oh, never mind. No, Siri, never mind. Oh, did it explode? Oh man, I'll wait for an explosion.
That might have been the coolest thing I've ever seen in my life. Are you kidding me?
Yeah, my mannequin didn't survive.
Train versus pit. The pit won. I hope you
Obviously.
enjoyed the video. Let's end it with an explosion.
There you go! Yeah! Explosion! I was waiting for that. I was waiting for it.